Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome back to part 5 of my Mother's Day Butterfly and Roses crafting series. Today we're going to focus on embellished dress forms. Before I show you my project, let me show you some of the products that I use. I used this Tim Holtz alteration die. It's called the Sewing Room. And I used 2 paper collections by DCWV, the Elegant and Serene, as well as the embossed foil stack. These are my embellished dress forms. I love the way they turned out. I was inspired by a YouTube video that I had seen from Baby Brown Craftaholic. I will be sure to include a link to her YouTube channel. She created a tutorial on how to make these dress forms using the Tim Holtz die. So as you can see, I have 3 different versions, and I've also created a simple background so the recipient can either choose to keep the dress form affixed to the background and use it as a card topper, or she can simply take it off and use this as a standalone embellishment. For the base, I've used a lightweight chipboard like a cereal box, and I've covered it with this light blue designer paper. I've further embellished it with this beautiful fabric rose and pearl trim. And then for the skirt, I used this ruffle trim that has these iridescent sequins on it. I embellished it with this rhinestone trim at the neck, and then also this large square rhinestone here at the waist. The next dress form, I love this one. I think this is my favorite. I used a beautiful floral print for the background. I used rhinestone trim on the top, and then I layered these beautiful pink flowers with the pearl trim that also has these beautiful crochet dangles on the bottom. For this last dress form, I covered it in this beautiful coral paper. I layered it with this gorgeous vintage lace trim, and then I included these rhinestones at the top and on the hip of the dress form, and then I finished it off with these beautiful fabric roses with a pearl trim. This concludes my review of my embellished dress forms. Please be sure to come back for part 6, where I show more of the fun embellishments that I've created. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting.